So I've got the Soundcore Liberty 5 earbuds, and let me show you how to pair and connect this to a Windows computer. So the first thing you're gonna do is go to the Bluetooth settings of your Windows computer. So I'm just gonna go into the, click on the start menu, go to settings, and then under settings, I'll go to Bluetooth and devices, and then I'll click on add a device. And then on this page, I'll click on this first option, and now it's scanning for available Bluetooth devices. So what you need to do now is quickly put this in Bluetooth pairing mode. And to do that, just slide open the case, and then you want to press and hold this button until that light on the case starts blinking like that. That means these earbuds are in Bluetooth pairing mode, and you can see my PC has already detected them. So I'll just click on this Soundcore Liberty 5, and it's gonna attempt to pair and connect. There you go. So we are now connected, both the microphone and for audio. And also this support Dolby Access, so Dolby Atmos will be enabled for my earbuds. Okay, simple as that. So now I can play YouTube videos, I can watch Netflix, I can just consume any kind of audio directly through my earbuds. I can just take them off and now put them on, put them in my ear. Now, just to make sure the sound output device is your earbuds, you can click on the sound icon in the bottom right corner here, and then click on the arrow next to that slider. And you can see the headphones, the default output device is now my Soundcore Liberty 5. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.